Birthday Uncle Berto and Ronald. God bless.
Happy birthday, Uncle Berto and Ronald. God bless.
Happy birthday to my brother Edelberto Mercaral, and regards to your family.
Asawa ni MB.
Regards to your family, especially to MB and her children and her child and her husband and Sally.
Birthday din ni Ronald.
Also happy birthday to Ronald. And good luck. God bless you all. There. See you soon.
Hi, Uncle! Happy birthday! Laban tayo dyan! Tama na yun,
Ay, Berto, gusto kayo. Alam ko birthday mo. Pasensya ka na, ganitong itsura ko kasi may sakit ako eh. Pasensya ka na, naiiyak lang ako. Sana, masaya ang birthday mo. At 60 years old ka na rin. Ay, mag-ingat ka rin sa sarili mo at magiging magaya ko, sakitin na ako, 60 years old na. Si MD, kumusta?
Si Ronald.
Ronald, kumusta?
Birthday mo na.
Ay, happy birthday, Ronald. Birthday mo rin pala. Ka-birthday mo palang yanan mo. Kumusta na yung baby mo? May baby ka na. Mag-iingatan ninyo mabuti yung anak mo. Si MD ha. Kumusta rin? Si Sally. Sige, ingat kayo dyan. Sige.
Hello, my son. Happy birthday. And Ronald also. And your family. Be happy and be lucky until the end of our life. Goodbye.
Happy birthday, Uncle Berto, Kuya Ronald. Happy birthday po, Uncle Berto and Kuya Ronald. Happy birthday po.
Happy Toy, happy birthday. Many more birthdays to come.
Saka si Ronald.
Ronald, ingat kayo dyan palagi.
Si Uncle Berto and Kuya Ronald.
Birthday,
Birthday,
Uncle Berto
Berto.
and Kuya Ronald. Maliw. Ulit. Bilis! Tama, pahing chocolate!
Chocolate!
Tama.